Thiko ya kere kirumaniririo na o niguo Gwatinda kona ciothe cia bururi. Aciari, arutwo na arutani magithii nambere gukunguira uhotani thutha wa maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCPE kwanirirwo muthenya wa ira. Thukuru-ini wa Mountain View makiria ya arutwo 50 ni marahotire kwandikithia marks 400 guthie na iguru, no a mwanya ni arutwo eri a mahatha aria marathomagira thukuru-ini uyu na eri marahota kwandikithia marks 414.
Linsi alikuwa kila wakati kama sio nambari ya kwanza, nambari ya pili au ya tatu. Naye Lee alikuwa hakaribii hapo. Alikuwa anakuwa nambari 20, nambari 25 pale.
Bet Linsley Kiprotich na muru wa nyina Bet Lee Kiprotich ni gatagati ka arutwo aria mekite wega bururi-ini, undu uria utigite aciari ao na kimako kuona aya eri matire mandikithia marks ihanaine kigeranio-ini kingi o giothe.
I felt quite happy that my brother had finally reached me. I never imagined that he could do so, but I believed in him.
The boy passed in English, the girl was down in English. When you go to social studies, the girl was up, the boy was. So it's a balance. Like everybody went with what they are strong in.
Jeraine ya Kakamega, Moho Jacobeth Amelia Liabule, mutumia wa ukoro wa miaka 31 onake ndanatigiriro aria angi magikuguira uhotani thutha wa kwandikithia marks 402.
Hata mimi sikutarajia nipate 402, nilikuwa natarajia nikuwe number 1 Kenya mzima, but kwa ile ambayo nimepata ninashukuru Mungu.
In future we are hoping that we can be able to set up a secondary school for them, and since COVID ije, we have now learned new avenues of communicating. So we were actually discussing that we can have a virtual learning for her since bado anaendelea na kesi yake.
Mambura otamaya matafanirio thukuru-ini ngurani, aciari makiuga thengia ya morito maria makoretwo kuo, arutwo ni marahotire kuonania ucamba aige magikiruka matanya mao.
I got 420 and I thank my teachers and my parents for the support, and I expect to go to Alliance Boys High School.
Only I would like to thank my teachers for always being there for me, and my parents and whoever has been by my side by prayers and always supporting me.
Twina mwana umwe wina marks 422, twina mwana wina marks 420, 403, 402, twela Ngai. Thank you.
Na ona mambura maya magithiaga nambere, aciari nimoritie ministry ya githomo kuhe arutwo mieke ya mbere ya thukuru iria o mecaguriire wona mihang'o ino ya mbiriria.
We would recommend that the government should not discriminate the private pupils. They should be admitted to high school according to the schools they selected and following the merit.
Mathie cukuru iria meguthoma wega nigetha magatuika the leaders of tomorrow.
Handũ-inĩ ha KCPE TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.